Welcome. In front of me is the Motorola Moto E6 Plus, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the phone to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the Files app, which will be located in your app tray. It has this folder looking thing right here. And once you launch it, just continue. On the bottom, you'll find both of your storages. Just get rid of this. So both of your storages are on the bottom, SD card below and internal storage above. And everything also can be found in the categories up here. It just doesn't actually show you where it's located. Now before I actually begin this, I'm gonna capture a few photos so I have something to move. There we go. So now if I go into images, you should find 3 images, and like I said, doesn't really show where they are, but I can still basically move them from here or copy them by selecting and, for instance, moving them to SD card or moving to internal storage. So this isn't necessarily the most optimal way, considering you don't really know where they are located. So you can find both of those, all the files in the internal or SD card. Now, photos, videos will be found on the DCIM as long as they were captured with the device itself. Pictures will have screenshots and stuff like that, and downloads will have anything that you have downloaded from the net. So my photos should be here, I believe, and there they are. And from here I can also select them the same way by holding one and then just tapping an additional one to add them. And if you want to move an entire folder full of photos, so you don't have to like select every photo individually, you can just do this and select the entire one. Then tap on the dots and choose either copy or move, whichever one you prefer. I'm gonna move it. It gives you a pop-up where you can move it to. Now the photos right now are on internal storage, so I'm just gonna choose a different one, so the SD card, and it opens up the main SD card storage. From here you can create a new folder if you wish to put it in more of a specific place, so you could just tap on create folder, allow, and let's name it, for instance, the same way as where it came from, so DCIM, and then just tap on move, and this DCIM is the internal storage, so where the photos came from, and as you can see it's empty. And if I go into the SD card, you'll see that now I have the 3 photos here. So that is how you transfer any kind of file. It works the same way for anything else. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.